Tinikling step right. Hop on left foot outside the bamboos, count 1. Hop on the right between the bamboo poles, count 2. Then hop on the left foot on the same spot, count 3. And raise right foot. Bend right arm upward about head level and kumintang the hand counterclockwise. Girls left hand holding the skirt and boys on waist. Tinikling step left. Hop on right foot outside the bamboo poles, count 1. Hop on left between the poles, count 2. And hop on the right on the same spot, count 3. Reverse hand positions. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Introduction. A. Starting with the right foot, dancers take 4 waltz steps forward going to proper places. The girl holding the skirt, the boys hands on waist. 4 measure. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. B. Dancers stand on the left side of the poles on the left foot. Tap with the right foot twice between the poles on counts 2 and 3 of measures 5. Ready. 5, 2, 3. C. Repeat B 3 times more. 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. Figure 1. Tinikling step. A. Take 7 tinikling steps, right and left alternately. Hand positions as described above. The first hop on count 1 of measure 1 may be omitted. 7 measure. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3. B. Step right foot outside pole number 2, count 1. Hop twice on the left foot between turning right about, counts 2, 3. Girl holds skirt, boys hands on waist. 1 measure. C. Take 7 tinikling steps, left and right alternately. Hands as above. 7 measure. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3. D. Girl hops on left foot outside pole number 2, count 1. Hops on right twice between the poles, going backward near bamboo player number 1, counts 2, 3. Boy hops on left foot outside pole number 1, count 1. Turns right about by hopping twice on the right foot between the poles going near bamboo player number 2, counts 2, 3. Figure 2. Clockwise and counterclockwise. A. Girl stands at the left side of pole number 2 and boy on the left side of pole number 1. Starting with the left foot, take 4 steps forward outside the poles, counts 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn right about and hop on left, count 5. And right foot, count 6 between the poles. Girl holds skirt, boys hands on waist. B. Repeat A 3 times more going clockwise. On the 8th measure, hop on left twice between the poles, counts 5, 6. 6 measure. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C. Repeat all, A to B. Starting with the right foot on the other side of the poles, reverse direction. 7 measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D. Girl takes 3 steps forward about 2 feet away from pole number 2. Boy, take 3 steps forward about 2 feet away from pole number 1. Finish facing each other. Basic steps of kuradang. Starting with the right foot, take chain step obliquely forward right, counts 1 and 2. Step left across the right in front, count 3. Change step obliquely backward right, count 1 and 2. Point left foot in front, count 3. Repeat all, starting with the left foot. Ready. 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3. Figure 3. Kuradang step. A. Take 8 kuradang steps right and left alternately. Arms in forward position, right and left high alternately. 16 measure. At the last measure, the boy jumps over the left side of his partner facing the same direction. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Figure 4. Tinikling step sideways. Partners join inside hands. Free hand of the girl holding the skirt and boy's free hand on his waist. A. Hop on left foot outside the poles, count 1. Hop on right, count 2. And on left between the poles, count 3. B. Hop forward on right foot outside the cross pole number 1, count 1. Hop on left, count 2. And right foot between the poles, count 3. Repeat A and B 5 times alternately. 5 measure. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3. D. Hop on right twice outside pole number 1, turning right about. Release the hold of inside hands, count 1, 2. Hop on left, close right foot in place, count 3. E. Join inside hands, repeat A, B, and C. 7 measure. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3. Hop on right foot outside pole number 2. Release the hold of inside hands. Count 1. Pause. 2, 3. Figure 5. Feet apart. A. Girl turns right and boy left, facing each other. Jump with both feet apart outside the poles, number 1 and 2. Join both hands and swing them sideways. Count 1. Jump twice with feet together between the poles. Swing hands down in front between them. Counts 2, 3. B. Repeat A twice more. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. C. Jump with feet apart outside the poles. Count 1. Release hands and jump twice between the poles, turning right about. Counts 2, 3. Partners are in back-to-back position. D. Repeat A, B, and C except hands movements. Girl holding skirt, boys hands on waist. 4. Measure. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. E. Repeat all A, B, C, and D except on the 16th measure. The girl does not turn. The boy turns right about facing the audience. 8. Measure. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. Figure 6. Cross step. A. Hop on left foot across pole number 2 and raise right foot in rear. Count 1. Hop on right twice between the pole. Counts 2, 3. Girl's right hand on waist and left holding skirt. Boy's hand on waist. 1. Measure. B. Hop on left outside pole number 1 and raise right foot in front. Count 1. Hop on right twice between the poles. Count 2, 3. Hands as above. C. Repeat A and B 3 times more. On the last 2 counts of the 8th measure, hop on right foot twice, turning right about. 6. Measure. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3. D. Repeat 7 times A and B alternately. 7. Measure. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3. E. Girl hops on left outside pole number 2. Count 1. Hops on right twice between poles, moving backward near bamboo player number 1. Counts 2, 3. Boy hops on left outside pole number 1. Count 1. Hops on right foot between poles, moving forward near bamboo player number 2. Counts 2. Hop on right again and face right about. Count 3. 1. Measure. Figure 7. Diagonal. A. Hop on left foot outside the poles. Girl outside pole number 2. Boy pole number 1. Count 1. Hop on right diagonally forward to the center of the poles. Count 2. Hop on left on the same spot. Count 3. Join right hands on. Count 2, 3. 1. Measure. B. Hop on right foot diagonally backward across the other pole. Girl across pole number 1, boy number 2. Release the hold of right hands. Count 1. Hop on left. Count 2. And right. Count 3. Between the poles as above. Join right hands on. Count 2, 3. C. Repeat 5 times A and B alternately. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3. D. Leap to exchange places. E. Repeat A, B, and C. 7 measure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3. Boy leaps to the left side of pole number 1 and girl at the right side of the pole number 2. Near bamboo player number 2. 1 measure. Figure 8. Vault steps. A. Starting with the right foot, take 4 vault steps forward. Arm in lateral position, moving sideward right and left alternately, or inside hands joined. 4 measure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. B. Repeat A, moving backward. 4 measure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Girl dances in front of her partner. C. Hop on the outside foot once outside the poles. Girl outside pole number 2, boy pole number 1. Count 1. Hop on the inside foot twice between the poles. Counts 2, 3. Girl holds her skirt, boy's hands on waist. 1 measure. D. Repeat C 5 times more, moving forward little by little. 5 measure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3. E. Boy jumps over to the left side of the girl and they join right hands. Girl make a 3-step turn left in place, passing under the arc of arms. And both bow to the audience. 2 measure.